Escuché las palabras de las dudas, los secretos escondidos de la noche, los secretos escondidos, Aroha, Aloha, o Pepe.
Hey guys, have you heard about the new quack doctor in town? Eh? Really? Oh, what if kaya try natin?
You may just have what you need to solve our problem.
Sige, try natin. Tara, tara, tara. What are you guys doing here? Hindi niyo ba alam na dapat hindi kayo nagpapaniwala sa mga quack doctors na yan? Yeah, and then a lot of people get sick dahil sa mga gamot na binibigay ng mga quackers na yan. Are you willing to sacrifice your health just for that? Well, what do you have to say naman? I think it's an easy solution to our problems naman, di ba?
Yeah.
Pwede naman.
Besides, what's there to do?
Oh, there's a lot of things to lose. Alam mo bang marami ang magiging masamang epekto niya sa ating health? Plus, it's not yet proven and tested.
Yes, you're right. So, anong gagawin natin ngayon?
I know a doctor who can help you with your this concern. Kaya bakit hindi kayo sumama sa amin para mapuntahan niyo? Yeah, tara, let's go. Wait, akala ko ba pinag-usapan natin to? Why are you guys suddenly chickening out just because of some rumors?
Yeah, I think they're right. You're seriously gonna believe them?
Well, do your own thing. Just know we warned you.
Manong? Manong? Hello, what brings you here today?
Hi, Mano. You see, we're in need for something.
What kind do you need? I have plenty of potions.
Yes, we're looking for...
Come in. Good day, Doc. We brought you some patients that needs your help.
Sure. Please be seated.
Sige, Doc. Una na po kami. Thank you po.
Sige po. I don't feel so good.
I don't feel too good. I think I'm sick. What did I do to deserve this? Alam niyo, gumaling talaga ako. Thank you, ah.
Yeah, it helped us a lot.
Oh, sure. Walang problema. Tara, uwi na tayo.
Consumer health starts with us. We as consumers have the responsibility of checking any and all products that we buy for any allergens or toxins it may contain. Be a smart consumer. Waste less money and prioritize your health.